Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix or reduce your eye strain or PWM with your LG TV. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to settings, and there's a few picture options we actually want to enable. So I think the best picture mode right now is Game Optimizer. This is going to get rid of everything like the added screen effects, all the dynamic adjusting things in the background that's going to cause the screen to flicker. Game Optimizer will turn that off so you focus just on gaming, but that's good for your eyes actually. So you could try this mode. Now another good mode would be the filmmaker mode under here. So you can put that on, but let's go to advanced settings under here and then you can see it. So it says filmmaker mode auto start. I'm just going to go ahead and just disable that. I don't like my TV changing settings on me, but filmmaker mode is probably one of the better modes for just PWM. So there's also an option called reduce blue light on here. You can turn this on, but when you're playing games, you will have the Game Optimizer open up. Just make sure you enable that under those specific settings. But we can just enable filmmaker mode or disable it. Now let's go back. There's also something called like eye care under here. So we could try eye care. So under Game Optimizer, this is turned off. So if you got one of the normal modes and your eyes still hurt, try putting on the eye care mode. For me, eye care mode doesn't do anything. Game Optimizer mode is the only way for me to actually use this TV. So reduce the blue light, enable that. Try a different picture mode, Game Optimizer, filmmaker mode, or try this eye care mode setting right here. And you could go through all the different settings. There could be one specific setting causing you issues, which is really annoying with these TVs, how many different options there are and what's going on in the background. So a lot of the times for me, it's the dynamic adjusting issues or anything that's got dynamic in it. Auto dynamic contrast would just destroy my eyes. Local dimming was hurting my eyes too. Motion eye care, I turned that off as well. That was hurting my eyes. So anything changing the screen by itself in the background was causing me some issues. You could even try disabling like the super resolution under clarity care, I believe. So you have this turned off right here. That wasn't really helping me. So I got all these settings turned off, and then I can go back and just look at anything else. So definitely try filmmaker mode, Game Optimizer. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.